A brief about industrial license in Dubai. An industrial license is issued for enterprises which transform natural material or resources into final products. The activities under industrial license include production, segregation, accumulation, packaging, etc. Some of the sectors where availing an industrial license is mandatory are goods manufacturing, food manufacturing, textile manufacturing, metal casting, equipment and engine manufacturing, manufacturing of petroleum products, paper manufacturing. With an industrial license, a factory can benefit from the exemption of customs duties on machinery and equipment, spare parts, unmanufactured and semi-manufactured raw materials, and packaging materials. Procedure for obtaining an industrial license. Obtain initial approval and name from the DET. Finalize the location for your physical warehouse. Notarize the MOA, Local Service Agent Agreement. Get licensed by the Ministry of Energy and Industry. Get approved by Dubai Municipality and Dubai Civil Defense. For some particular sectors, clearance is required from other ministries and departments as well. The process of arranging the documents and acquiring approvals from several authorities can be quite overwhelming without having experts on the matter. We at Commitbiz provide you with strategic business inputs, handle all the legal documentation, and give complete business advisory solution to ensure hassle-free business incorporation. Contact us today for more information on acquiring an industrial license in Dubai. Hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos and weekly updates on business setup solutions.